Why do the big Forex players hide their secrets? What strategies do they use to secure their profits? How can you turn the tables and use these tactics to your advantage? This video will reveal what many professionals don't want you to know. Secrets that can transform the way you trade in the Forex market and give you an edge that few have. The Forex market is a battlefield where only the best prepared survive. Most traders fight blindly, while professionals utilize secret techniques to secure their gains. Have you ever stopped to think about why some always win and others fail? There is a hidden psychology behind market decisions that can be your secret weapon. Let's debunk these practices and show you how you can benefit from them. How can high-frequency algorithms change your game in Forex? They execute thousands of transactions in seconds, capturing opportunities that go unnoticed by human eyes. What makes these algorithms such a powerful tool? The accuracy and speed with which they operate are unmatched. What if you could use that same technology to maximize your profits? Discover how risk management and diversification can protect your capital and ensure your survival in the market. We'll explore these strategies and more, unraveling the mysteries that professionals prefer to keep secret. Analysis of the trends of the large banks. Have you ever wondered why big banks have so much power over the Forex market? They are the biggest players in the game, moving billions of dollars daily. The key lies in understanding the trends they follow. When you start looking at the buying and selling patterns of these banks, a whole new world of opportunities opens up. But why is this such a closely guarded secret? Because those who master this technique have a significant advantage over ordinary traders. The reason why the big banks are able to move the market is simple: volume. They have access to resources and information that most traders don't even dream of having. This allows them to predict and influence trends with frightening accuracy. How can you benefit from it? Start studying market reports and the movements of large financial institutions. This practice can give you valuable insights into the future directions of the market. Applying this technique is not complicated, but it requires discipline. Monitor the activities of the big banks and adjust your strategies accordingly. For example, if you notice that several major banks are buying a specific currency, consider following suit. The accuracy of big banks in predicting market movements may be their secret weapon. Do they know something you don't? Now, with this strategy in hand, you can find out. Market psychology. Have you ever heard that the Forex market is 90% psychological? This is one of the best-kept secrets by professionals. Most traders act on emotions such as fear and greed, and that's where their advantage lies. Understanding the psychology behind market decisions can transform your approach. But why is this kept secret? Because those who have mastered the psychology of the market have an unfair advantage. When everyone is buying for fear of missing out on an opportunity, you can spot signs of a potential reversal. This is because the market is cyclical and driven by the emotions of the participants. Developing a cold and calculating mindset can help you position yourself against the masses, taking advantage of emotional fluctuations to your advantage. How can you get started? By studying behavior patterns and avoiding impulsive decisions. Apply this strategy by keeping an eye on market sentiment indicators. These indicators show the level of optimism or pessimism among traders. If the majority is optimistic, consider the possibility of a correction. Avoiding decisions based on panic and euphoria can protect you from unnecessary losses. The key is to stay calm and act rationally, even when the market is in a frenzy. Are you ready to be the cold trader they don't want you to be? High-frequency algorithms. High-frequency algorithms are one of the best-kept secrets in the Forex market. These programs execute thousands of transactions in fractions of a second, taking advantage of tiny price variations. But why don't the pros want you to know that? Because these algorithms offer a speed and accuracy advantage that human traders can't match. They are a powerful tool that few know about. The beauty of high-frequency algorithms lies in their ability to process huge amounts of data in real time. They analyze trends, detect opportunities, and execute trades with impressive speed. For an ordinary trader, competing with these programs seems impossible. However, you can utilize the same technology to your advantage. Investing in automated trading software that uses algorithms can level the playing field. Implementing this strategy requires an initial investment in technology, but the returns can be substantial. Look for trading platforms that offer advanced automation features. By configuring your software to operate based on specific parameters, you can capture opportunities that would otherwise go unnoticed. Are you ready to use technology to your advantage? This could be the secret to transforming your Forex trading. Risk management. Have you ever heard that risk management is the foundation of a successful trading strategy? Even the most experienced traders lose on some trades. The secret is to limit your losses to maximize gains. Why is this crucial? Because risk management protects your capital and allows you to survive periods of volatility. Without effective risk management, even the best strategies can fail. Risk management involves setting strict stop losses and never risking more than a small percentage of your capital on a single trade. This may sound simple, but many traders ignore this rule. When you protect your capital, you can endure more losses and continue trading. It is the difference between a trader who lasts for years in the market and one who loses everything in a few months. How can you apply this? By clearly defining your boundaries and adhering to them no matter what. Discipline is the key to effective risk management. Many traders fall into the trap of adjusting their stop losses when the market goes against them, hoping for a rebound. This is a mistake. Staying firm in your limits is essential. Create a trading plan that includes risk management rules and follow it religiously. Over time, you will see how this practice can increase your longevity and success in the Forex market. Ready to protect your trading future. Diversification. Diversification is a word you may have heard, but applying it to Forex can be transformative. Not putting all your eggs in one basket is a strategy that professionals use to spread the risk. Why is this so vital? Because the Forex market is unpredictable and prone to sudden changes. By diversifying your operations, you increase your chances of profit and reduce the impact of isolated losses. To diversify effectively, you must trade different currency pairs and adjust your strategies as the market changes. This means not depending on a single source of profit. Each currency pair has its own characteristics and trends. By spreading out your operations, you can take advantage of different opportunities and protect yourself against adverse fluctuations. How to get started? Studying various currency pairs and understanding their specific dynamics. Diversification is not only about different currency pairs, but also about different strategies. Mix short and long-term approaches. Use technical and fundamental analysis, and adjust your tactics as needed. Not only does this improve your chances of success, but it also makes your portfolio more resilient. Are you ready to diversify and transform your approach to Forex? With this strategy, you can achieve stability that many traders only dream of. What other secrets do Forex professionals still hide? The market is vast and full of opportunities for those who know where to look. Why do some strategies seem to work so well for certain traders and not others? What do they know that you haven't figured out yet? The journey to unravel these mysteries is just beginning. How can these techniques be applied in your daily operations? Each strategy revealed here is just the tip of the iceberg. The real power lies in knowing how and when to use them. Why not start exploring these approaches now? Understanding the psychology of the market and the influence of the big players can be key to your success. What's stopping you from achieving the same results? Are there other tricks that can make all the difference? Be aware and always question what seems obvious. The Forex market is dynamic and nuanced. Keep seeking knowledge and adjusting your tactics. The next big reveal may be closer than you think.